Okay, we're going to jump into the File menu and we're going to take a look all the way down the list and go item by item. Let's start with the New File command. Okay, so here we are in our blank workspace within SoundForge. Go up to the File menu, and the first item right there at the top is the New command. Now you'll notice right away that in SoundForge, one of the really good things that they do very well is that they show you all the command key equivalents off to the right there. So for a new file, I can either just roll over the new here, or I could do Control N. And we'll just go ahead and click on that. What I'm presented with is this dialog right here. It lets me choose some of the parameters I want for my new file. So I can choose the sample rate all the way from 8K all the way up to 192K, depending upon the resolution that I want to have this particular sound file at, or that I know that I'm going to be cutting and pasting into. Obviously, it defaults to 44.1, which is the standard for CD audio. Bit depth, same deal. It defaults to 16-bit, but if I want to work at a higher resolution, or if I have files that I need to kind of share bits and pieces between that someone's given me that are at a higher resolution, I can then open up a file that defaults at that resolution. Channels, mono, stereo, if I know what kind of input I want to set up for, if it's just going to be a single mono track or if it needs to be stereo. And depending upon the parameters I pick, it tells me how much editing time I've got in, I believe it's hours, minutes, and seconds. So if I go all the way up to 192K, you can see that the sample rate being much higher cuts down on the amount of time that I have available on the hard drive that I have in my machine. So that's basically it. Once I set my parameters here and click on OK, there's my brand new empty file set up for stereo in this case. And down here at the bottom, I can see my parameters that I had set, 44K, 16-bit stereo. I'm good to go.